Right, good morning. Now, what we have here today, we have one of these Swann systems. Right, it's a lemon price smart. Box comes with this main camera module, the other cameras. It's self-contained, which means everything starts from here and branches out to the other cameras. Let's see if I could find the box so I could give you a little reference as to what it is. And don't mind that, Christmas time. This is the box it comes in. It's a 1080p system, Swann Wi-Fi security system. Seeing the main camera, and it attaches to 3 other cameras. This is the recommended way to install it. But today we're going to see if we can actually install it this way or if we have to make any adjustments. Alright, so for today's work, I guess we have the camera itself. Alright, the reset button is below here. Also the SD card. So we also need a SD card for this device. Apart from that, we have the antennas here. The lead that has 3 connections for the extra cameras, 1 power connector to go in, an Ethernet connector for, I guess, hardwired connection to your internet. But I guess we're going to be using the Wi-Fi today. Also comes with a power supply. Alright, 12 volt 3 amp power supply. So we have enough power for all the cameras. We have the splitter. Alright, goes in. This is the extender for the splitter, so you could extend from the power supply, plug in like this. Power supply plugs in on this end, and this end goes to power all the cameras directly from the end of the lead, powering all the cameras like that. Now it comes with cables. We'll be using a couple of these, and for the longer runs that exceed the cable length, we'll actually be using Cat 5, and we'll attach on the ends video balance as well as power connectors so we can get power to the cameras. Alright, so beyond that is just for the install and the configuration afterwards. Alright, system comes with an SD card. It goes into the SD card slot here. There's a reset button there. So the QR code. Alright, so let me set this up. Turn the cover on. Right, and now we plug the power supply. That was yes. Should boot up. This light starts flashing. Now it has been set up. So the next thing we have to do is just attach more cameras. Now we walk around and check the progress of the job. Right, so the first camera is up here. Well, I should say this is the 4th camera. At the back here. And we have the pipe work going down to the other camera. Watching the back over there. And then we have this one here. And then we have the main camera going up there. Also, the pipe work coming up here to go up to the final pieces. This one going around to the front, where we already have one installed. So we've completed the install, and my final thoughts on the entire system is that I would not recommend it for something like commercial based. Maybe for the home, maybe if you have a shed or something, you just want to throw some things in standalone. Yeah, it's probably good for that. But to say to add this as a full-fledged system to rely upon, I would not recommend it. However, if you have a very unique use for it, say for instance you have, like, let me say, a burger cart or a small booth somewhere you could hide the wires up, easily, then I would say yes, you could buy this. It's quite simple to set up. You could probably do it yourself. You have everything that you need there to have it set up. The instructions are quite clear. So that's my thoughts. And okay, that's it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy your day.